Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Algorithm Minds. My name is Hasan Khurram and in this channel I teach programming skills in Python, MATLAB and R programming. I also teach Tableau and data visualization too. So in today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how we can actually plot a line chart in Tableau. So in order to plot that, I will go towards the data plane and I will pick on the dimension registration date and then I will drop it on column shelf. By default it has aggregated value to year. I need to convert it into day, so I will click on it, then I will pick day as a value. Now you can see it has shown us the date from first of a specific month and to the last of it. Okay, so that being done, now the next thing we need to do is actually pick the measure, which in our case is total profit capsule, and we will pick it and we will drop it on rows shelf. Now you can see that we have successfully plotted our line chart. Now if you actually want to add another line that represents a different quantity, it is quite simple to do. You will simply drag the measure, which in our case is, let's say, first order profit, and drop it on y-axis. That's how you can actually plot two quantities in a single chart. So I hope this tutorial have been helpful. I will catch you soon in the next video.